how to turn on or turn off call screening on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then tap on the phone application. After that, tap on the menu button at the top. Then tap on settings. Now in call settings, tap on call screening. From here you can tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on call screening. Here select a call assistant answer calls and ask the callers who they are and why they are calling. And that's it. After that you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, here I'll try to make another call. It should come off with the call assistant.
Hi, I'm a call assistant recording this call for the person you're trying to reach. Please say who you are and why you're calling.
This is David and I'm calling you spam.
Thank you. Please hold while I connect you.
And here you can see it will show a small message right here. And from that information, you can choose to answer the call
You're calling is busy
or
now.
deny the call.
I'll let them know you called. Thank you.
And that's it. That is the call screening feature on the Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.